Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to transpose multiple rows and columns in Excel. Transpose function in Excel helps you to change your vertical range into horizontal range and horizontal range of data into vertical. To transpose multiple rows and columns in Excel, first open your Microsoft Excel application on your PC. Now here I have already created datas which contains multiple rows and columns. Here you can see the small table. Now to transpose this table with multiple rows and column, you need to first select the whole table. Then you need to copy the given table. For that you can press on Ctrl C. Then you need to select a particular cell on the Excel. After this, right click on your touchpad. Then here you can see paste option. You will be able to find transpose function under paste option. The structure of this box can differ according to the type of Excel you are using. So click on transpose function and then here you can see that the table has been transposed. That means now the rows has been changed into columns and the columns has been changed into rows. This is how we can transpose multiple rows and columns in Excel. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.